Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Petawawa local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to move, hiring a cheap Petawawa moving company you can trust makes a lot of sense. 3 Movers offers the most dependable local and long-distance moving services in the area. We know how to make sure you get settled into your new location faster and without all the stress. Our team will help you move your home, business, equipment, furniture, or anything else. When it's time to relocate, you need the best long-distance moving services for your needs, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We make sure you have the best possible services for any relocation of 100 miles or more. When you need to hire our long-distance movers, you can rest easy knowing you have the best team for the job. Without a Canada Moving Company, you have to do all the work associated with your local move. This means packing up everything, loading it into a truck, unloading it, and unpacking it. This work can take a toll on your energy level and even cause injury. 3 Movers will do all the hard work for you. We even streamline the moving process to help you get to your new location faster. Our team can make sure your move happens smoothly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Petawawa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.